The time has come when you can start an all-over print-on-demand business without needing to handle the stock, the shipping, the inventory yourself. You can create endless designs for your product, list them on your website, and they will only get produced and sent to your customers once you receive an order. That's amazing, right? Just take a look at what I was able to create with minimal effort. These all-over print-on-demand products were all created with Yoycol. Now, just take a look at what I was able to create. From backpacks to women's wallets to men's wallets, clothing, all types of clothing with all over prints, and so much more. Not only you can create these for yourself to have stock of them, but you can create a dropshipping print-on-demand business with them and create a brand that people truly want to purchase from. But what is the exact process you need to follow to ensure that your brand is successful? Let's find out. First, you need to think of your ideal customer and niche. This is super important because you have to understand, as a business owner, you can't sell everything to everyone, not all within the same brand. People need to understand that you have an expertise, that you want to sell a certain something within that brand. So you need to start with exactly that, your ideal customer in mind. Who will be purchasing your products? What will they need them for? Is it a product that solves a certain problem? You need to offer a solution for somebody's problem or somebody's desire with your product. But first, how do you even know which types of products or which types of print-on-demand platforms support all over print-on-demand so you can spread your creativity and create the best products? And for that, I recommend using Yoycol. Yoycol offers the possibility of creating all over print-on-demand products online that you can easily dropship. You don't have to stress over the inventory or shipping of the product yourself. You create the designs and list them to your website, and then Yoycol takes care of everything while you receive your payment from your clients and make profit. Yoycol is completely free to use. It offers over 900 product variations. It has some of the best prices on the market, and it is already being used by over 500,000 dropshippers all over the world. Now, let me give you an example of how far you need to niche down to be successful within this business model. For example, you can create a matching wallets and backpack for women's brand. So your ideal customer will be women that just simply love matching their wallet to their backpack. And trust me, there are plenty of them that will love to see this within a brand and find all these types of designs for this specific product on one specific website. That will make them get ready to purchase like that. Now, if you choose this business model, I wouldn't go in and just pick all of the designs. Start with something really niched so you can start your brand from there and grow it. So what do I mean by that? I mean, let's take a look at what your ideal customer could look like. For example, women that love pets, that are pet owners. You can create matching designs for backpacks and wallets for women that love a certain dog breed, for example. So you can create all of these designs with different dog breeds that have matching wallets and matching backpacks. So you got the idea. You need a very well-defined niche first. And to find what that is the best idea for you, you can also use Google Trends, social media, and other platforms that you may want to sell on, for example, Etsy, to do your research first and see what people are searching for in those categories before starting to design your products. But to get an idea of which types of products you can create using Yoycol, I recommend going to their website first and browse through their catalog. They have plenty of products that you can use to create your print-on-demand brand. And the best part is, if you have some design in mind, you can use their markup generator to see exactly how those designs will look on your product. You don't need to order a sample of each product, but I recommend doing that for your social media content. But once your brand starts getting momentum, you can launch new designs with their markup generator, so use their photos without having to order the items yourself and photograph them yourself and all that. Another great thing is that Yoycol is completely free to use and you don't need an order minimum. You only pay for the orders that you place. That being said, let's move on to step number 2, which is finding unique designs for your products and starting your brand. The first thing you need is a unique name and logo for your brand. So for that, you need to pick your ideal customer and the exact niche that you want to be a part of. Pick a color palette and stick with it when creating your logo and your website as well. Third, you'll need to order a few samples of your products after you find your designs and have them ready for photos and videos for social media so you can do your marketing right and get orders right away. You can also list the products to your website, again with the mockup that Yoycol generates for you. Now, take another look at these amazing products that I was able to create with Yoycol. You can create t-shirts with your logo, shoes, backpacks, jackets, wallets, and so much more. the quality is really good, and you can build an entire collection for your business with different designs and colors. Now, how do you use Yoycol for your print-on-demand business step by step? The first thing you need to do is go to the link below and start your account. Now, browse through their products to the products catalog and favorite the ones that you love the most. Just click on the little heart to add them to favorites. Then you'll need to click on products and my favorites to view the products that you've added to favorites, and then click on start design to start adding your custom design. You can choose from classic design or smart design, which means that you can get the help of AI to design something for your product. When you click there, you will get the exact design size your design needs to have to ensure high quality printing. So keep that in mind when importing and creating your design. All you need to do after that is upload your design, move it so it fits inside the guidelines, choose the background color, the size of the product if it's available, and you'll be able to preview your design on the mockups right away. For the smart design with AI, you will just be able to name what you want to include on your product and they will generate it for you. So simple and so convenient. Or you can choose the styles and click Dream to fill out the product design. There are so many amazing products to choose from and so many design options. I know it can be a little hard to choose. I know it can be a little hard to start with. What do I start with? I don't know. But that is the beauty of print on demand. You can test different designs without having to put a lot of money into stock or buying a lot of things for a cheaper price from the producer. So you just list the design on your website, and when it gets sales, then you know you need to market it a little bit more. So when you're having a hard time trying to choose which product to create, try thinking of the following things. What will your ideal customer love to find in your shop? What is a product they will want to buy or make them excited to have in their home? What designs do they enjoy the most? What is a good price for that customer that will get them to purchase that product? That is also really important. By taking all of these things into consideration, I am sure you'll be able to create a brand your customers love. Now I would like to share 3 methods in which you can use Yoycol for starting your business. So the first thing, if you have money to invest and you are sure about products that will sell with all over print, you can order bulk items so you can have them in stock and ship them yourself, package them yourself, and all those things, or you can use them for your physical store. Second, you can use the print-on-demand dropshipping method that I said, with the mockups images and list them on your website, and whenever you get a sale, by connecting Shopify or website to Yoycol, for example, you'll get paid and then the order automatically goes through Yoycol and gets sent to your customer. Or third, you can use Yoycol for personalized products on Etsy or on your own website. You can allow people to go to your own website, add their baby's name, for example, and then you go to Yoycol, create that design specifically for that baby name for that customer, and add the shipping address to your customer address. Honestly, the opportunities are so many, and this business model is so in demand right now, especially if you do your research and find clients that truly want your product. And of course, offer enough information about your products on social media and create a community and content consistently that people are interested in. So if you're ready to give Yoycol a try to start your all-over print-on-demand business today, make sure to use the link in the description. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to leave it a like if you've enjoyed it, and I will see you in my next one.